Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the console and removing any battery or accessories to avoid shorting. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap. This prevents static damage. Use a tri-wing to remove the back screws, then lift the shell gently with a spudger. Once done, separate halves without forcing clips. Take photos of screw positions and ribbon cables now, because knowing where each part belongs saves time and prevents mistakes later. You now inspect the PCB and connectors for corrosion, torn traces, or cold solder joints. This explains many failures. Use continuity checks on button pads and the joystick potentiometers to find breaks. If the stick is worn, desolder the module or unclip it carefully. Make sure to label each cable. Clean all contact points with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol so signals flow correctly, and replace or reflow any questionable solder joints to restore reliable connections. You reconnect ribbons and boot the console while the shell is still open to verify repairs before final assembly. Once functionality is confirmed, align the halves and tighten screws evenly. Do not over-tighten screws, which can strip threads. After reassembly, calibrate sticks in system settings and run a button test. If issues persist, recheck solder joints and connector seating. Intermittent faults often mean a loose ribbon or cold solder, so reseat and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.